Hey guys, welcome to the Budget Generator. I'm just going to do a quick video here for those of you who it's your first time looking at this. There's a ton of tabs at the top, so I just want to simplify it. The two that you're going to focus on this first time is the Budget Generator and the Net Worth tab. So in the Budget Generator is where you are going to go back, look at your last 3 months. It's called the $1 Million Exercise, and you're going to go to bank statements, credit cards, whatever you have to look at, and find exactly how much you spent in all these categories. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you an average here in this next column so you can predict your new budget. And the new budget is going to be a bit reliable because if you don't have anything to create it off of, then it's going to be a huge guess. But the fact that you went back and looked at your budget, you have an average of what's going on in an entire quarter, your new budget is going to be a lot more feasible and workable. So this is your budget generator where you're going to go put your actuals in for the last 3 months. Now the second tab you're going to focus on is my favorite tab, and it's called the Net Worth tab. So this is really going to give you the big picture of where you're at financially. The first section up here is your assets. So you're going to go through, find all those things that we like to have. Money in our checking account, money in our savings account, money in investments, those kind of things. Now, the bottom part is our liabilities, those things that aren't quite as exciting. Things that we owe money on. So for example, our mortgage. Now this isn't going to be your payment. This is going to be how much you owe. So you're going to want to go look at your statement, see how much do I still owe on my home? How much do I still own on my student loans? How much do I own on my credit cards or my auto loans? And then the bottom line truly is the bottom line. It's going to really tell you where you're at financially. And that's the basics. So those are the two tabs you're going to focus on this first time. We'll get into the other ones at another time, but that's going to give you a good place to get started. And just remember that this is your starting point. So the fact that you're doing this is a big deal because most people never do this. And from here, you can go wherever you want to go. Freedom.